Yo, what's up, YouTube? So check this out. I just found the wackest, weakest, the worst rapper ever. Ever. I don't care where you from. This is the worst rapper ever. And the funny thing is, I was kind of liking this song, and then until I got to his verse, bro. Until it got to his verse. So I'm trying to play anything that's new. So like, I'm gonna give him another chance, cause maybe I just took it too hard on him. So like, I don't know, bro. I don't wanna play this. He looks like a goofy ass motherfucker right here. I wanna play this, yeah. But I'm gonna play it, cause it seems to be
Audio Mark, please turn it up.
No, it's a trap.
Yellow thick bitch, feel like breadsticks. Fuckin' that bitch, then fuck a bitch. I'm not risky. You gotta check out who you tasting.
Hey, some Yama never misses, bro. Never miss. Like, some Yama is always on point.
It's my sick shit. Drip on me look like the bottom of my jet ski. I said wet shit. Tell the truth, you be lucky if you gonna see me. Green on me look like Luigi. Go fast to top, I don't got me and leave me. Got a beanie, I pop.
Yo, excuse my video quality, bro. I'm facing like no more heavy wind. So like, I don't know why the wind is fucking up my Wi-Fi, but it is. So bear with me.
I no keys. Do this for real, it's not fraud, no guinea. I grab me a bitch, I bet her like a keep. You look at my phone, see a whole lot of demons. Came with the kettle, I feel like a genie.
Go for the W. So give my
Aye, my fun. Listen. You see this guy right here? Cool Cat. Cool Cat is a vet. Cool Cat is the biggest. I'm not by raps, not by style, my nigga. This nigga here got sauce. Tell you.
Go for the W. So give my eyes.
Fianco che trippa minza, come una macchina manita, Velangis family do je go be boys in casa le peas. I show me like kitty, I got racks on me living kitty.
Bro. But face, tell me YouTube alone face. Tell me YouTube. I don't know why, bro. I'm just not feeling shit.
Fianco che trippa minza, come una Fianco che trippa minza, come una macchina manita, Velangis family do je go be boys in casa le peas. I show me like kitty, I got.
Bro, I don't understand what this nigga is saying. And I'm Zulu. I'm telling you. I lack the vein to comprehend this nigga, bro. I just cannot understand this nigga, bro. He's just too much. I don't like this. I don't like that, bro. I just like it when niggas rap. Not like I like rap, but like I just want niggas to rap, bro. Like not rap as in like hey Reese rap or like just be on point, bro. Feel like this nigga here is never on point. Lord Script is the wackest rapper ever. Bro, this nigga is so whack, bro. Hey, what pet did I go find? That's sorry, mommy. Sorry, I went. Look at what he's doing, bro. Tell me this the type of rapper you wanna be. Whose favorite rapper is who signed this nigga? Which label is pushing this nigga right here?
Dropping the hardest we make. Give me salute when we meet.
Even his nigga, bro, is not feeling his verse, bro. Look at how he's dancing, bro.
Dropping the hardest we make. Give me salute when we meet.
He doesn't want to look at a nigga, bro. He doesn't want to look at his nigga doing his verse. He just wanna look the other way.
On your knees, my knees. Pray on your knees.
Yeah. Guys, Benz on my chat. I check.
So two of my eyes, one of my skin, I see where.
Ulo script to I'm to my eyes, Buffett. I'm sorry. I'm not a comedian. I'm not trying to be funny. But this nigga right here is a comedian, bro. Ulo mchita tunya my eyes.
One of my skin, I see where. One of my skin, I see where. One of my skin, I see where.
I'm a rasta now. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I know the song, but I swear to God, I never played this song. I think I know it from like what you call second party listening. I never play, like I don't even play Cool Card like that. Like I don't play any of these niggas. I play some Nyama though. Nasty C. Ayo, ko Nasty C la. The fuck?
Nangi goes, come on, talk about degrees, I don't know most, come on, see. Twana yam kashes, inganes yan nibili. Mina umang fi. Go by my
Whack! Boo! Boo!
Pansi no kenzo shivili. Uba telebazam, bang valele na pan.
Ooh! This nigga's ass. Ass. Zinga.
King and kalanga manje. Alang matala, pele minyaga.
Ay! Good.
Go put a W. So two of my eyes. One of my skin.
About to my eyes. Lo fana don't jangas my face. Angas me no face. Angas na makaria taisop. Aning taisel career nam.
Naziwe. Una más que naziwe. Una más que naziwe. Una más que naziwe.
Ube right like we hook kota ke music colleague lo. Ngasile ona le dread like fana ligunda eh.
Una más que naziwe. Una más que naziwe. Una más que naziwe.
Running to the money, running from a group. These niggas say they love me. They use that term loosely. It's never nice to me.
No. I don't want to slander my boy, so I'm just gonna skip. It's not giving, man. It's not giving.
Windows and blocking Vula, but now hopping AMG trucks and shikes. Breezy for no reason, easy. Got my nigga dog. Got my nigga dog.
Go put a W. So
So
two of
my
my
eyes.
Una más que naziwe.
Abo Cool Cat. Over to my book, my eyes la. Kapal got Blake. Yeah, Blackie's verse was hitting, bro. I don't know how he did that, bro. How the fuck did Blakey have a better verse than Nasty C? I'm not saying Nasty C is above Blakey or Blakey is above Nasty C, but like I expected Nasty C to be like, you know, but Blakey. Hey, let me go back. I don't know. Maybe I'm glazing the nigga. I don't know. Maybe.
Best and fuck a beastie.
No, it's a trap.
Yellow thick bit, look like breadsticks. Fucking that best and fuck a beastie. I'm not risky. You gotta check out who you tasting. It's my sick shit.
Aye.
Me look like the bottom of my jet ski. I said wet shit. Tell the church you be lucky if you gonna see me. Green on me look like Luigi. Go past the top, I don't got me and leave me. Got a beanie, I pop out no keys. Do this for real, it's no fraud or no guinea. I grab me a bitch, I bet her like a keep. You look at my phone, see a whole lot of demons. Came with the kettle, I feel like a genie.
Aye.
Go put a W. So
Two of my eyes.
Una más que
Aye. Bathumile ama-ice bafethu. Cool Cat bathumile abafana ama-ice engomeni ayi. Hayi abafana ayi. Ninyile. Kodwa ke open for discussion. Comment section ikhona.